Squeeze. Give yourself a squeeze. Oh, we're making squeeze bottle rockets today. You need a squeeze bottle and a straw and then some paper. It's pretty simple. Let's go.
Okay, so here are the supplies you're gonna need. When you're in the store, go ahead and give this a squeeze, and if you can, make sure you can squeeze some air out. Next, you're going to need some scissors, some scrap paper, recycled straws, paper clip, duct tape, and a stapler. All right, let's start. Okay, first, let's make the launcher. Grab the squeeze bottle, open it up, and see if a straw slides in that hole. Mine slides through okay. If yours doesn't slide through, you may need to trim just a little bit so that your straw fits. I need to make sure that no air escapes in between the straw and the lid. So I'm going to take some duct tape, about as long as your finger. Now I will wrap the duct tape around the end of the straw. Slide the straw through the inside of the lid out the top, making sure that the duct tape part is hidden inside. Go ahead and push this. This will create a seal to trap the air inside the bottle. Go ahead and close it up, and you can give it a test by squeezing it. You don't want any air to come out right here, so you can put your hand around that and test it. See if you can feel any air there. If you can, unscrew it, slide it out, and add more tape. Okay, it's rocket time. Grab a piece of scrap paper. I want to cut this scrap paper in half. Now I have enough to make 2 rockets. Take the straw or the pencil, put it down on the long edge of your paper, and start to roll it around the straw. Once you've rolled it around the straw might just slide out like that. Take out the straw, pinch one end, and fold it over. Now I can tape or staple this. Next, I'll put a piece of tape there. Great, now you can test your rocket to make sure no air escapes. You can do that by blowing on the end.
Nope, I don't feel anything. Ready to launch.
Okay, it's time to test it. Take your launcher and slide the rocket onto the straw. Next, give the bottle a squeeze. Now you will probably make more rockets. If you're using a pencil, the process is the same. Put the pencil on the long edge of the paper, pick up the edge, and start to roll it around the pencil. Next, I'll remove the pencil. I'll pinch this down, fold it over, use my stapler or tape, and there I have my rocket. Next, I might add some fins for stability. Sweet, I've got some fins on this rocket. This will help it fly a little bit more straight. I'm gonna test it.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun. So we made a squeeze bottle launcher and then we made a few rockets. You'll probably make a bunch more and you'll probably experiment with things that don't work. And then maybe you'll find something that does. Anyways, I'm not here to give you all the answers. I'm just here to get you started. Have fun, make stuff, and spread the love. Bye!